On question number 5, I'm converting 25,000 cubic feet to gallons. So that conversion is right here. So when I set this up, it's going to be 25,000 cubic feet over 1 times 7.48 gallons over 1 cubic feet. So the cubic feet will cancel out, and I just need to type 25,000 times 7.48, and you can divide by 1 if you want to, and you'll get 187,000, and this is gallons. On question number 6, I'm converting 12 yards to feet. So that conversion is right here. So I'm going to take 12 yards over 1 times 3 feet over 1 yard. So the yards will cancel out, and we just need to do 12 times 3, and you can divide it by 1, and this will give you 36 feet.